Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can connect your creator account on Vimeo with Google Drive. So let us guide you through this. So log into your Vimeo account as well as to your Google Drive account. And here on Vimeo you will need to navigate to your account settings by clicking into your profile icon in the top right, select settings here. Next, what you want to do in your account settings, navigate to connected apps on the left hand side. And here what you want to do is go through these integrations and look for Google Drive. You may click into the search button and look for it, or you will see it here. So click into Google Drive here. Next, confirm by clicking into connect. After that, what you want to do is click into Google Drive again, select the associated Google account, give Vimeo the permission, and that's it. After that, you will be given access to your Google Drive library so that you may upload videos from there. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.